Hey guys, this is Heath with Wash Pro Exteriors. I'm making these remote start units for the Honda engines and the Predator engines as well. This is a new product that I just got in, and it takes the place of this T-Tap connector, which you have a lot of trouble putting these on sometimes. If it's not straight up and down, the little metal piece will just fall out, and it's kind of a headache. It just kind of comes apart. Let's see if I can get this phone right. I'm pulling apart. Comes apart like this. This part opens up, goes over the wire, and then you just stick this on the end. It works fine, but I think this is the best solution here. These are called Posi-Taps, if you've ever heard of them. Let me do this. All right. Okay. You just take this end off here. Looks like this. It's got a little point on it. And then you put it over your wire. So if you're in a tight spot, this is the way to go. Screw it down, see? And it just pokes right into the wire. And it seems to seal off pretty good too, the way it's shaped in there. And then you take this other end. And I already skint this wire back a little bit. You put it right through here. And then just screw this end in. That's good. Ain't going nowhere. So that's the best solution I've found. Tell me what you guys think.